Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making my blend of green seasoning. So I'm just going to show you what I have. So I've got some white onions, some shallots, sweet peppers. I have some green and yellow ones as well. I've got celery, green onion, some ginger under here. Everything's washed. And then I have some green herbs. So I have some thyme, some coriander or cilantro, and 2 types of parsley. And here I've got my seasoned peppers. So some are called, these are pimento peppers, and then I have some Ajano peppers. I have yet to see them in the UK, so I buy them abroad, then I bring them in. I wash them first and then freeze them. And then I have my garlic. So a trick to peel garlic, put them in warm water, and the shell will be easy to peel off. So it's just okay, and that's how easy it is to peel. You can see how easy they are to peel. I just let them sit in warm water for about 5 minutes. I don't like these tiny ones, they're really annoying. I can't be bothered to peel those tiny ones, so I'm done. Okay, so this is my bowl here. I'm just going to start off with the ginger first, because these require the most chopping. So I'm just going to cut them into pieces. Okay, so I'm using a food processor. Well, I've got an all-in-one. Okay, I'll show you when I've added everything. Okay, so everything's in the processor. Okay, so I want them to be finer than this. While that's chopping, I'm just going to chop the celery. I'm just going to add the garlic now. You can use a blender if that's what you have, but then you have to add water to it in order for it to blend. I like the food processor because I like the consistency that the seasoning is chopped into. Oh, the ginger smells so nice. Okay, I'm going to add in, I had a little bit of garlic left in the coriander, so I'm just adding in the celery now. Okay, so first batch is done. I do them in small batches and then I mix them together at the end. can mix them all at once, but because I've got so much, I've decided to split it into about 3 or 4 batches. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Just going to do the peppers because they're starting to defrost and I don't want them to get too soggy. Just chopping them in smaller pieces. So I've got some red, yellow, and green peppers. Do the onions after. Just going to cut these into cubes. Okay, so this is the peppers. I know you won't be able to find these peppers here in the UK unless someone knows somewhere in London that sells it. But you can make this without these little peppers. You could just use sweet peppers and that would be fine. Okay, I'm just going to add in the onion and shallot. I'm going to also add the green onions, but I'm going to let this chop for a bit. Just gonna rough chop these final ones here. Oh, got some stray garlic left. I'll just add them in as well. Okay, so that's the mixture of onions, shallot, and spring onions. Salad onions, sometimes they're labeled as in the UK. Okay, so just at the final stage, just adding in the final herbs. Okay, and this, I've added some thyme, celery leaf, got some overboard here. And this is a mixture of curly parsley, flat leaf parsley, and coriander or cilantro. We don't really find cilantro here, so I'm making without cilantro. Okay, so this is just the last bit here, and that's what it looks like. So when I'm cooking, I season all my meat with different dry seasoning, and then this is my wet seasoning. I put this on everything. Just going to mix it together now. So that looks good. That's what it looks like. And that's the consistency. Okay, so I store this in a glass jar in the fridge. Just going to fill it up. So this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!